So the new Tesla Model Y Juniper is out, and yeah, the ambient lighting looks super clean. But what if you already love your current Model Y, or you're upside down on your loan thanks to all the recent price cuts? In this video, I'll show you how to install the ambient light from EVBase, a quick, affordable upgrade that gives your Model Y a fresh premium feel. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you how you can save even more when you pick up a set for yourself. So I got the EVBase LED ambient lights for my Tesla Model Y. So let's check this out. Let's see what's in the box first, and then we'll go right into our install inside the vehicle. This is from EVBase for Tesla. It's an EV accessory. In the box, you're going to have all these pieces ready to go. You're going to have your power connectors right here. You're going to have your plug that's going to go inside your USB inside your glove box. A pry toolkit in case this is a new project for you and you don't already have a set of these already handy. And then here is your USB connector as well. That's where all the app information is going to be transmitting to be able to change the lighting inside the vehicle. And then all your LED strips right here, they're going to be changing colors. And you have some adhesive that is going to help you connect this, especially in the area around your air vents. So here are all the tools and all the pieces you're going to need for this install. Before we get started, most of you watching are not subscribed. If you enjoy do-it-yourself Tesla maintenance videos and tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it also helps the channel grow. It's free. Okay, enough of that. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, you're going to plug in the power. Take the power module and plug it into the hub. Then plug the hub into your USB port inside your glove box. Almost forgot. Make sure to plug this in to that and test out the lighting to make sure it actually works. Pro tip, plug and test the power first before you start installing everything. Tuck the strips into the trim by hand. Don't jam it in, just enough so it stays put. Now take the wire and run it across the center console to the passenger side, underneath the touchscreen. Do the same thing here. Tuck it in gently and do not push it too deep. Remember that double-sided tape I mentioned earlier? Well, you can use a tape to help you stick the lights better. But for this instance, I'm choosing not to since they will stick on pretty well underneath the sides of these bolsters. Use a pry tool to gently push the wire into the gap so it looks nice and clean. Stick the strips just above the phone chargers. Run the wires along the edge to keep it nice and tidy. Now grab the strip that goes right underneath the dashboard. For this one, I am going to use a double-sided tape to make sure it sticks in place. Make sure that the plug side is pointed towards the passenger side, since this is where we're going to plug all the wires. On the passenger side, pop off the trim pieces right here. Start with a rubber trim, then these two pieces next. They're easy to pull off, just be very careful, and also use a pry toolkit. Now run the wires behind the glove box and down along the side panel. Once everything is hooked up, hide it and snap the panel back into place. Now we're going to plug everything together. Connect all the wires to the controller and tuck it in under the footwell. Once you've done that, go ahead and put the footwell cover back into place. Now, some models do have a plastic push pin holding this panel together. On this particular model, this is a later 2025 Model Y, it does not have the push pin on these. But on older models, you will have to push those out. Now that that's all plugged in and ready to go, don't forget to download the Magic Lantern app to your phone so you can change the colors, brightness, and other cool stuff. Now that you've done all that, now check it out. Clean glow, fully color customizable, and you don't lose any stock functionalities on your Tesla Model Y. Now this install took me about 20 to 30 minutes, and it seriously changes the vibe inside the cabin. It's easy, it's affordable, and makes your Model Y feel way more premium. This is the sound of my voice. This is the sound of my voice. If you want to pick one up, hit the link in the description below and use code CRUISEMEDIA at checkout to save even more money on this awesome ambient lighting kit. Again, links down below in the description. Don't miss out on getting additional discounts on this. If you like videos like this and you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next installation video. Bye.